Welcome back, everybody. My name is Elham and today at the Central Jersey Arts Council, we're gonna make two different renditions of the traditional hot chocolate. And for those coffee lovers out there, affogato. For the first recipe, we're gonna go ahead and make our rendition of the Mexican hot chocolate. The first item you're gonna need is a large saucepan, Dutch oven, or crock pot. Set it to medium heat, and let's get started. Your first step is add 4 cups of whole milk. All right, and then add in 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, ½ teaspoon of ground cinnamon, an 1/8 teaspoon of chili powder, an 1/8 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You're gonna add in 4 ounces of chopped bittersweet chocolate, 7 ounces of condensed milk. Whisk until everything's combined so that way your chocolate doesn't stick to the bottom and burn. Now that I have everything incorporated and infused well, we're gonna go ahead and pour it into our cup and decorate. Be right back. All right, so let's go ahead and start decorating our hot chocolate. I'm gonna add some whipped cream. Let's go ahead and add a pinch of cinnamon, some marshmallows. Now you can actually char them up a little bit if you'd like, but I think this is perfect just the way it is. So now to top everything off, sprinkles. I'm gonna go ahead and use some chocolate sprinkles. There you have it, guys. This is the rendition to the Mexican hot chocolate. We're gonna go to our second recipe, which is white hot chocolate. I'll be right back. All right, guys, for our second recipe, we're gonna add in our white hot chocolate. Go ahead and add 3 cups of whole milk to your pot on medium heat. Add in 1 cup of half and half or heavy cream. 1½ teaspoon of vanilla extract, 8 ounces of good quality white chocolate chips, and your pinch of salt. Go ahead and heat it up and whisk frequently until everything is smooth. You don't want to boil your chocolate. Once your hot chocolate is smooth, go ahead and transfer this into a cup so you can start decorating. I'm gonna go with a simple topping for our white hot chocolate. I actually have some leftover Biscoff cookies that I turned into fine crumbs, and I'm gonna use my whipped cream. So we're gonna add our whipped cream here. Sprinkle as much of your crumbs as you'd like. Break one of your Biscoff cookies in half. Stick there. All right, guys, there you have it. White hot chocolate. We're gonna move on to our last one, which is for our coffee lovers, which is affogato. Be right back. For our final recipe, we're gonna create an Italian dessert called affogato. So for those coffee lovers out there, you only need 2 ingredients: ice cream and espresso. If you don't have an espresso maker, you can use 2 shots of very strong brewed coffee. So 2 scoops, 2 espressos. Let's get started. I like to use 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream, all right? And then I'm back with the 2 shots of espresso. Add that in. And for our topping, I just like to add a little bit of a garnish of some shaved bittersweet chocolate. All right guys, as Christmas Eve is nearing and you want to leave your favorite drink for Santa, you can use your Mexican hot chocolate for those who are traditional hot chocolate lovers. For those who are white hot chocolate lovers, you guys could go with that rendition. Or coffee lovers, you could leave Santa the Italian dessert affogato. Thank you guys for tuning in to Central Jersey Arts Council. Be sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and our new YouTube channel. Be sure to catch us for our New Year's episode on how to create confetti poppers and, not only that, lavender lemonade. Have a good time, guys. Happy holidays.